love me if I'm at? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I'm at? Would you still have love for me? Look at my blood off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still love me? If I got locked up, sentenced to a quarter century, can I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hooping from a bed, would you poof, disappear? Like some of my friends, if I was hitting out, certain you would by my side. People trying to put work, but you be down the ride. I get out, kill a nigga, can't be chillin' dry. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rappers, I flip burgers to Burger King. Would you be the same, tell your friends you feelin' me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a little later, would you write that? And we can have a little trip, you know, like that. Then we can go through what you like, I know you like that. Come on, girl, it's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was at? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was at? What? Would you still have love for me? Now would you leave me if your father found out I was stuck in? Do you believe me when I tell you you're the one I love? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions? Are you my soulmate? If so, girl, you're a blessing. Do you trust me enough to tell me your dreams? I'm staring at you trying to figure how you got them things. If I were down, would you say things to make me smile? I treat you how you want to be treated, you teach me how. If I was with some other chick and someone happened to see, don't you ask me about it, I said it wouldn't be. Would you believe me or believe me? I keep us out born and that's all it takes for you to be gone. We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile. Girl, it's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was at? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was at? Would you still have love? Would you love me in a Bentley? Would you love me on the bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on the bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. I got something for you now. I got something for you now.
Ice me out. Detroit, what's good? I like a nigga to ice me the fuck out.
It's